Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: fresh medium-coarse grounds, a Phin with its filter plate, and hot water near 92-96 degrees C. Place the Phin on a warmed cup to stabilize temperature. Measure about 18-20 g of coffee into the chamber, then distribute evenly. Once done, screw the press plate down lightly. You want contact, not compacted espresso. If using condensed milk, add it to the cup now so the brew drips directly into it and mixes as it lands. You start the extraction with a short bloom, pour 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to saturate grounds, and let trapped gases escape for 20 to 30 seconds. Then fill the chamber slowly to just below the rim and place the lid. This keeps temperature steady. Make sure the press plate isn't too tight. A slight resistance creates a steady drip. If the coffee drains too fast, tighten a bit. Too slow, loosen slightly. Aim for a total draw time of 4 to 5 minutes for balanced flavor. Once dripping slows to intermittent drops, lift the Phin off the cup and set it aside. Do not squeeze or force. Stir the brew into condensed milk or Enjoy Black and taste critically to decide adjustments. Rinse all Phin components immediately to prevent oil buildup, then dry thoroughly before storing. If your cup tastes bitter, try a coarser grind, lower temperature, or shorter contact time. If sour, use finer grind, hotter water, or slightly longer brew. That single tweak usually fixes common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.